Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to set dimension style and text setting. So this is called dimension format setting. Before starting any object creation, we will set the particular height, width, as well as precision setting, as well as arrow setting. So when you go to how to do that, first of all, format is coming to enter, press D, enter. Look at this D, dimension style is coming here. So when enter the D, enter, coming to dimension style, it is very important for dimension style before create setting. So first of all, when you start from new process and it is called for copy standard, when you go to continue here, then here first thinking is line setting. If you look at this, is the line is what type of color you need that. This is our line. You can choose the line color, then after switch. Okay, so different types of color available in here. When I want to set the yellow color, so this is yellow color is coming. When I do want to by layer, so by layer, and then provide the thickness is according to here. Then this complete has setting. Then next, here the extend beyond dimension line. This is extend beyond. If you change the 001, so you look at this here, position is totally different position when it's come. So now I will set the again from 1.8. so this is setting for line here. Then go to symbol arrow. When your arrow you look like here, this is arrow. Different types of arrow available here: close field, close bang, closest dot, architecture when used to civil diagram. So this is architecture here. Look at this dotted type. Look at this here, architectural tree. So it is different types of arrow available. This is leader arrow. If you want to change the leader, so you definitely use from leader arrow. When leader arrow, then after move, provide the distance of arrow size. When I will give the 10 mm. Okay, then after okay, so this is change here. Then again I will go to modify here. First of all, this arrow has been complete. Then go to text here. Standard is here. Then color, I will provide the color is green. Then height, I will give us 50 mm. So do you think that here a position will come from? When if you want to up direction, so when go to center and above, this is outer side. When again go to feet here, feet, you can either test arrow between here setting, factor here, scale factor. Then go to primary unit system. When I set the decimal as well as primary unit system is 0, this is permanent setup in diagram. Their scale factor is 1. When change the scale factor, definitely change their dimension. So then almost every process has been used. then after go to OK. Like I want to go to setup here, modify setup, and OK. So it is very easy to format setup in AutoCAD, because format setup very urgent. If you remove anything, but this is very useful for AutoCAD. And thank you for watching.